Hi everyone, ready to transform your garden? Let's dive into 12 inspiring flower bed ideas. First, a beautiful Bible verse to set the tone. And God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, the herb yielding seed, and the fruit tree yielding fruit after his kind." Genesis 1:11. And here's a positive quote to inspire us. "Where flowers bloom, so does hope." Lady Bird Johnson. Idea number 1. The cottage flower bed. Think wild, natural, and overflowing with charm. Plant a mix of daisies, foxgloves, and delphiniums for that perfect cottage vibe. Next, the formal flower bed. Clean lines and symmetry are key here. Use boxwood hedges to frame your flower bed and fill it with classic blooms like roses and tulips. For a burst of color, try the rainbow flower bed. Arrange flowers by color to create a stunning rainbow effect. Think red poppies, orange marigolds, yellow sunflowers, and so on. How about a pollinator-friendly flower bed? Attract bees, butterflies, and birds with nectar-rich plants like lavender, coneflowers, and zinnias. Want low maintenance? The perennial flower bed is for you. Plant hardy perennials like hostas, daylilies, and peonies that come back year after year. Get creative with a raised flower bed. Perfect for small spaces. Raised beds offer better drainage and easier access. Fill them with your favorite blooms and herbs. For a touch of elegance, consider a monochromatic flower bed. Stick to one color like all white blooms with lilies, hydrangeas, and petunias. If you love veggies, why not mix them with flowers? The edible flower bed combines beauty and function with plants like nasturtiums, marigolds, and even kale. Add a tropical touch with a tropical flower bed. Use bold, exotic flowers like hibiscus, bird of paradise, and cannas for a lush, vibrant display. For those who love variety, the mixed flower bed is a must. Combine different flower types, heights, and colors for a dynamic, ever-changing garden. Create a serene space with a Zen flower bed. Use calming colors and simple plants like bamboo, ferns, and orchids to create a peaceful retreat. Finally, try a themed flower bed. Choose a theme like a butterfly garden, a fairy garden, or even a patriotic garden with red, white, and blue flowers. There you have it, 12 inspiring flower bed ideas to transform your garden into a floral paradise. Remember, the earth laughs in flowers. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Happy gardening, everyone.